Hi all and welcome to Liquid Earth. I'm Age, and in today's video we're going to show you how to create a beautiful white glow preset. Once you've made all the adjustments, we'll save that as a preset that you can then apply to any other photo with just one click. Here's a few before and after photos for you. As always, we're going to start with light, so press your light tab, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to change our highlights and move that down to -42. In the shadows we're going to increase that to +32, whites we're going to go +36, and blacks we're going to have +15. Once you've done that, press your curve tab and go to your blue curve. Tap in the center to add a point, and also tap 3/4 up to add a point. Let's move that top point upwards a little bit, and we're going to also move the middle curve. Something like that. And then press done. Move down to color, and in the color we're going to add a little bit of vibrance to your image, so let's go up +20 on your vibrance, and then press your little color mix button. And let's change some of these colours. Starting with reds, we're going to add a little bit of saturation, so we're going to go up to +24. Next up is your orange, and we're going to do a similar thing in the orange. Let's move that up to +25. With the yellows, we're going to come down with the saturation to -48. In greens, we're going to add a little bit of hue. Let's go to +22. Saturation, take that down, -44, and up the luminance to +29. Next up is aqua. Take the saturation down to -52, and then we're going to do a similar thing for the blues, purples, and magentas. So in blues, saturation -53, purple -52, and magenta -52, and then press done. In the effects tab we're going to take our clarity down, so move the slider back to -51 and pull back a little bit on the dehaze. We're going to go to -6, and finally in your sharpening we're going to sharpen this image to +70 and then mask that out to +51. And we're all done. If you press and hold on your image you can see the before and then release to show the after. Now we just need to save that as a preset. Press the 3-dot settings and choose to create preset. Give your preset a name and where you want to save it. If you press user presets you can create a new preset at the bottom there. This is a new folder, so we'll call this white presets. Press the tick. These are the parameters that you should have highlighted. Make sure that they are, and if they are, press the tick again. And that's saved that as a preset. Now we can quickly apply that to any other image. So let's take this image. All we need to do is press our preset tab, navigate to where you've saved those presets. So ours was white presets. Here's the white glow. Just tap on the words white glow, and then you can see the before and after. If you want to apply that, press the tick. Let's do one more. Go to our presets, press white glow, and there you go, before and after. Press the tick to apply. To save the images, just press your share button, and you can share to wherever you like. Just choose your location, or you can export to camera roll or the equivalent if you're on an Android. I've swapped over to my phone, and here's the image in all my recents. It's as simple as that. The beauty with Lightroom is that with all the edits they're completely non-destructible, so you can go back after you've added the presets and still make any adjustments that you want. You can even reset your image back to the original. Just press this icon here on the bottom right and press all, and we're back to the original. You can press the undo to reapply the preset. Well, that's it. Thanks very much. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to see more. I post every single week and your subscription is really appreciated. Thanks again guys, and I'll see you next time.